Okay, so this is the Philips hair dryer, 2-speed hair dryer. Link will be in the description below. I got it from Amazon. So now let's unbox this thing. This is the box of this hair dryer. The model number is HP8100/46. It is a 2-speed adjustable hair dryer. One is the slow speed and another one is the fast one. This is the user manual, and this is the actual product with the front face cap. It has also got a hook for attaching it to the wall or hanging it on the wall. So approximately the length of this wire is 1.5 meters, and let's test it out. Also, there is some detailing on the wire. It says high cables 1100 volts, IS 694, ISI mark, cm/L. What is this? I don't know. 0.75 square mm. This is the plug. It's made in India. I don't know whether you can see this thing or not. And also there is the current rating and voltage rating over here. It says 10A, 10 amps and 250 volts AC current. So let's test this thing out. The first mode is of this slow speed and the second one is for high speed, as it was in the description on Amazon. Okay, so this has one interesting feature, that is if the appliance overheats, it switches off automatically. So I did not feel any speed difference, that is a slow speed or high speed. I did not feel any speed difference in between these two options. Rather, I felt that if we put this button on slow speed, then the wind which is coming from this exhaust is normally heated, and when you switch it on to the high speed mode, then the air which is coming is hot air. So I felt the difference in the temperature of the wind and not the speed difference.